Today we're going to make something a little bit different. We're moving from the sweet recipes onto the savory. Hi, I'm Annie from KetoFocus.com and I've teamed up with Chalk Zero, and today we're actually going to be making a recipe from Allie from Eat Keto AF. Check her out on Instagram. Today's recipe is a Thai-inspired low-carb peanut chicken. The best thing about this recipe is that it is made in a slow cooker, so it's really easy because it's one of those recipes that you just dump everything in, you can take off and go, so it's called a dump and go recipe. So in your slow cooker, you want to start by adding 1 cup of coconut milk, a 1/3 cup of creamy peanut butter, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, and then for a hint of sweetness, we're going to be adding in Chalk Zero's caramel syrup. So 2 tablespoons of the caramel syrup. I love these syrups. They are sugar-free and sugar alcohol-free, so we can limit the amount of carbohydrates going into all of our meals. You'll also need 1 tablespoon of rice wine vinegar, 1 tablespoon of fresh ginger, 3 cloves of garlic that's minced up, or like myself, I'm using garlic paste, so it'd be 3 tablespoons of garlic paste. We're gonna stir this together until it's combined, and then we're gonna add in our chicken. So this is 3 skinless, boneless chicken breasts that I have cubed up, and I'm just gonna toss that into my slow cooker, cover it, and then we're gonna cook this on low for 4 to 6 hours. Once your chicken is done cooking in the slow cooker, we're gonna open it up, and then we're gonna add in a few more ingredients to help flavor and thicken our sauce. You're gonna need 1 tablespoon of lime juice and 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. This will be our thickener for our sauce. Mix that together, and then we're gonna cover it again and cook it for an additional 20 minutes. You wanna cook it just until the sauce gets thick, and now it's time to serve it. Allie recommends serving this over a low-carb rice, like cauliflower rice, or some low-carb noodles, like I'm using Hearts of Palm noodles. Top it with either some green onions or scallions, some red pepper flakes, crushed peanuts, whatever you have on hand. Thank you, Allie, for this super simple keto dinner idea. Make sure you check her out on Instagram, and make sure you tag us, Chalk Zero, with all of your photos of your low-carb Thai-inspired peanut chicken.